Your IQ panel becomes a digital photo frame with a library of preloaded photography. These images are beautifully displayed on the panel's bright 7-inch screen. You can even add your favorite family photos using the built-in SD card slot. Use the scheduling tool to create and customize your slideshow. At any time while your slideshow is playing, touching the screen will bring you to the home page, where you can interact with your alarm and other features. From the home screen, select the Apps icon and tap Photo Frame. You'll notice two buttons toward the bottom of the screen, Play Slideshow and Settings. Touching Play Slideshow will begin showing the images. The Settings button allows you to change various options like the duration each picture should be shown and whether or not you want to display photos from your SD card. It's a great way to disguise your home security and automation access point and add to the ambiance of your home.